Talk us through what we're doing here, young fella.
So, we've got 3 cables that will be connected in with these 3 connectors. So you got neutral, active and load. It will come down this hole where the rest of them are. I will run it down to this bottom duct.
Watch your fingers.
Go across and then come into the timer over there.
So we're deleting the PE cell and installing a 24-hour timer.
Yep. That's the plan.
That definitely went bang. Don't be scared, mate. So this is the one. Oops, she's flashing on my phone, but it's not flashing in real life. That's got a new ballast, that's working. This one on the left, new ballast. The one on the right's a little bit slow to start, but that'll get going, I hope. And all the others are starting up now. So that will be all working. We've got the new timer in the board.